We want to let the anchor down so we can do some work up here on the foredeck. You'll notice that the anchor windlass will jump and bounce around because the foredeck is soft. Here we go. And just as I figured, we've got a chain ball down there, so I've got to go beat it up with the hammer to get the chain ball out. And this boat just went through survey 4 weeks ago, and the anchor has not been used since then. So I advise, if you're having a survey on your boat, that you want to let the anchor rod, chain, or rope out all the way, 100%, because we've got a chain ball. Got to go down there and get a hammer and see what I can do to fix it. So watch the windlass jumping. Okay, there's proof we've got a chain ball down there. All right, stand by. I got to go get the hammer.